Hello, good people. I hope you're doing well wherever you are. This is Irene from Adroit Architecture. Thank you very much for joining me for this video. This is your go-to channel for all matters architecture, construction, and project management. If this is your first time on this channel, welcome. Where have you been? If you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button and you will get amazing content absolutely free. Today we have yet another beautiful contemporary home design. Join me as we go through the Deon contemporary 5-bedroom house plan. Let's take a look at some key features of this contemporary home design. As with all contemporary designs, the additional rooftop space is a major key feature. The rooftop can be designed and customized for you as you wish. Let your imagination take over. This home design is especially perfect for a guest house or a holiday home. If you desire to build a holiday home, especially in the coastal region, this design right here is perfect for you. This design essentially provides 2 master suites upstairs, one with a private balcony. This is a great feature for a guest house setup. I love the number of balconies this house offers. We have 3 balconies upstairs, and these balconies correspond to covered terraces downstairs. These terraces can be used effectively for outdoor sitting areas. Let's take a look at the floor plan setup. The covered entrance porch brings you into the inside of this beautiful home. You have a very spacious living room that has a corner fireplace. This is great for people who are building in cold areas. Next to the living room, you have a spacious dining room. The living room and the dining room are in an open plan setup, providing a lot of circulation space and a lot of space for your entertainment. Next to the dining area, you have a spacious kitchen. The dining area and the kitchen are separated by a half wall. This half wall provides a good demarcation between the 2 spaces while allowing these 2 spaces to work together with ease. The spacious kitchen comes with a spacious kitchen island. A kitchen island is great for your breakfast nook area as well as providing additional workspace. The kitchen also comes with a walk-in pantry, providing all the storage space that you require. A door from the kitchen takes you to the covered kitchen yard outside. You have a laundry room at the kitchen yard. The laundry room is all set up for all your laundry equipment. Down the corridor from the kitchen, you have the staircase as well as the visitors' cloak room, nice and private, and you also have a study room or a home office. Downstairs, you have a guest wing. This guest wing has its own independent entrance, a walk-in closet, as well as its own private bathroom. The guest wing is perfect for families who want to have an independent guest wing. It can also work for your grown-up children, as well as your domestic worker or an elderly parent who is living with you. Take the staircase to the upper floor. Here we have a family room complete with a large balcony. The family room is perfect for hanging out, essentially your TV room, and the large balcony provided allows you to set up another outdoor sitting area. The Deon contemporary 5-bedroom home design essentially provides you with 2 master bedrooms upstairs. The main master bedroom has a sitting area, a walk-in closet, a private bathroom, and a private balcony. The 3rd bedroom comes with a walk-in closet, a private bathroom, as well as a private balcony facing the back. The 4th bedroom comes with a walk-in closet, a private bathroom, and can easily be given access to the family room balcony. As I said earlier, the 3 balconies upstairs correspond with 3 covered terraces downstairs. These covered terraces downstairs can be used in any way that you wish, especially for outdoor sitting areas. The Deon Contemporary 5-bedroom home design gives you a total living area of 296 square meters. On the ground floor, you have 148 square meters and the upper floor provides you with 148 square meters. Balcony spaces add up to another 33 square meters. The footprint of this home design, what we call the plinth dimension, is 17 meters by 14 meters. You need a quarter-acre piece of land to comfortably build this home. This will provide you with enough space to create the outdoor gardens and living areas to suit this kind of home. As at April 2022, the estimated cost of constructing this home is 12.5 million. For the estimated construction cost, we are using the rates that are provided by the latest Building and Construction Cost Handbook by the Institute of Quantity Surveyors of Kenya. This is a good estimate budget to work with, but always keep in mind that a lot of factors can affect the cost of construction. And right there is the Deon Contemporary 5-bedroom home design. It features 4 en-suite bedrooms, a cloak room, an independent guest room, a home office, as well as a family room. If you're interested in this home design or any other home design we have featured in this channel, get in touch with us. We have provided our contact details as well as our email addresses in the description box below. Leave a comment, like this video, share it with your friends, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for your support. I'll see you in our next video.